In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M55, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then click on All Services. Select Autofill with Google, and blue switcher next to use Autofill with Google. As you can see, after that my switcher and all of those features are gray, which means that Autofill is on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!